Hey YouTubers, today we've got a Citroen C15. It's got the 1.9 diesel engine in it, and just going to show you how I do a compression test. As you can see, I've removed intake, I removed the airbox, and I've also removed the injectors because they're going away for testing. So what I do it is doing it through the injector hole there, the adapters in there, up to a high pressure tester specifically for diesels, and I've got a glow plug screwed in the glow plug hole. Everything else is open. I have the return squeezed off, and also undone the valve for the fuel pump, or taken off the electric connection for that. We'll crank it over and see what we're going to get. So this is what I would call cylinder number 1, but being as it's French, they probably call it cylinder number 4, and that's just about 400 psi, 27 bar. Move on to number 2. So, leave the pressure out there, disconnect. Take the adapter out. Here we have 320, which is about 22 bar. $100. Alright, let's see what we get for this gearbox end. And just 490, they call that. So here's the specs that I found out for the C15. As you can see, it should be between 25 and 30 bar, which is 362 to 435 psi. The only one out of spec is cylinder number 2, or which could be cylinder number 3 if we're going from the gearbox end, but just for the purposes of this, that's out of spec. Number 4 is a little low, 1 and 3 seem okay. Yeah, I hope you found that informative. Just a short video on how I will go about doing the compression test on one of these Citroen C15s, same as the early Berlingo. Now you don't have to pull out the injectors, you can do it straight through the glow plug hole. It's just that these injectors are going away for testing anyway, so I just decided it's all got to come apart, so I'll do it through there. Anyway, hope you enjoy the videos. If you are, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as they arise. I try and do 1 or 2 a week. Unfortunately, work, etc., I can't always fit them in. Yeah, any topics that you might want me to cover, please let me know in the comments and questions box below. Thanks for watching.